Welcome to CS Munkarthikeyan YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel, like, share with your friends in social media, share links in all your links. Then only you get notification and press bell icon. Through this pandemic period, use hand sanitizer to away from COVID. Today's topic is dramatic essay on dramatic poesy by John Dryden. So it's just a kind of a keynote point only I posted here. So for the further information, I will do another video. So John Dryden wrote great work, this dramatic poesy in the time of pandemic plague time of 1665, the great plague of London. England people moved there from their country for spreading plague. But Dryden's plan of writing this soft and humble times, so he planned for a rigorous sweeping. So he took that situation for writing his dream work of English literary criticism, essay on dramatic poesy. So after a long thinking back, he planned for that. This is the work of 4 different person mindset. So this artistic treatise, it must be moved on to throughout all literary personalities. So he created a situation that 3 of his friends has sailed on the river Thames, and their journey was too long. Because of too long journey, they planned to discuss a debatable concept in a dignity way. So their topic is lied on literary drama, how their drama is practice of in different countries, how they treat, how the practice of their different dramas. So that is discourse core topic was different ages practice of drama and its advantages. So each one allotted one country's or literature on the one country drama for their discourse. So in the same way, each one there separate themselves. For your memory purpose, GRFE, graphy. So G stands for Greek and R stands for what's that? These 4 countries' treatment of drama is completely superiority of all literary on the topic. R for Rome, F for France, and E for England. So Griff. So this code word, the 4 different interlocutors who are going to discuss all this country representative, the critics, Roman and Greek dramatist, ideology talking man, and Lycidius. His topic country is French drama, and Junius, last age of England drama. Neander, England itself. So these 4 different personality talk about their respective countries. So they choose 4 different countries drama. So the real persons, the Dryden is supposed to say that Critus character is taken from Sir Robert Howard. A Junius character is taken from Charles Chatwell. Lycidius character from Sir Charles Sedley, and Neander character is Dryden, John Dryden himself. So these are the 4 different characters. They are, for our memory purpose, Clen, C-L-E-N, Critus, Lycidius, Junius, Neander, for the order purpose. Thanks for watching this channel. Subscribe more. Thank you. And press bell button for your check update, and use hand sanitizer in the time of COVID.